AKA Sri Lankan YouTube channel. Today you are joining with the first food vlog on AKA Sri Lankan YouTube channel. I am going to make curry puffs as known as Sri Lankan patties today. Traditional way of making curry puffs is by deep frying or baking. I am going to make curry puffs today by using air fryer. Now we are going to make the filling for the curry puff. So we need some boiled and mashed potatoes, some mackerel, chopped onions, chopped garlic, some curry leaves and chopped green chilies. For the taste you need some lemon, salt and pepper. And not like in Sri Lanka, in Singapore sardines and mackerel are coming with tomato sauce. So you can see some tomato sauce in this mackerel. We need the pan to make the filling. I'm keeping the low heat for now. I have added some oil to the pan. I'm adding now chopped garlic first. Then chopped onions. Curry leaves, now green chilies, now I am adding mackerel to the mixture. Then some black pepper. I like it spicy, so I am adding some more black pepper. Then half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm using Himalayan salt, that's why it's pink, the color is pink. And now I'm turning off the cooker and add these mashed potatoes. Finally, I am adding this lemon.
Let's make the patties dough now. Since I am using air fryer to bake these patties, I am using more butter because it gives soft and rich taste. Now mix them all together to make one single dough. Now take small pieces from the main dough and using a rolling pin, flatten that small balls. I'm using this mug to cut round shapes because I don't have a patties cutter. Now using a fork, you can give a nice neat look to the patties.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do like it and please subscribe to Pavi's Memento for more videos like this. Bye.